April 16th, Boone, North Carolina. Shirley and Darrell, both 72, checked into room 225 at a hotel. They were in town to visit family. The next morning, cleaning staff found them unresponsive and they were declared dead. 56 days later, on June 11th, a mother and her two children checked into the same hotel room, 225. The next morning, 11-year-old Jeffrey was found unresponsive. He was pronounced dead at the hospital. His autopsy showed a blood carbon monoxide concentration greater than 60%. For a non-smoker, normal levels are just 2 to 3%. What happened in room 225? This is the Boiler Room Detective Channel, and I'm your host, Ray Wolfhard. My 14 boiler books are available at T.F. Campbell, Pronto Heating Supplies, Amazon, and heatinghelp.com. The fatalities were blamed on the hotel's pool heater, which was vented through the sidewall. The International Mechanical Code requires flue terminations to be at least 3 feet above any air inlet within 10 feet. In this case, the pool heater discharge set level with the ventilation air intake for the guest room's HVAC system, pulling deadly exhaust fumes straight back inside. To reach over 60% carbon monoxide in Jeffrey's blood, he had to be exposed to roughly 800 to 1200 parts per million of carbon monoxide. Here's another real-world example. Flue gases gathered in a building corner and got sucked inside the building through an open window. The whole building had to be evacuated and the fire department called. The design engineer and installer were sued and forced to build a 2-story chimney. Key lesson: the vent cannot be closer than 3 feet from an interior corner. Gases pool there instead of dispersing. Then there's a heartbreaking case from the December 2005 blizzard in Plymouth, Massachusetts. Snowdrifts blow sidewall flue exhaust for the home's boiler. The house filled with carbon monoxide overnight. 7-year-old Nicole died in her sleep. Her death directly inspired Nicole's law, which now requires carbon monoxide detectors in every Massachusetts home. Investigators confirmed that the horizontal exhaust vent was too low to the ground. The horizontal vent must be a minimum of 12 inches above the ground with a normal snow level. Always verify your local codes, the manufacturer's instructions, and the latest IMC or NFPA 54 codes. The codes may vary by jurisdiction. Sidewall venting saves money and space, but it demands precision. One wrong placement and the exhaust can recirculate, especially in corners, near intakes, or under snow. Install CO detectors on every level near sleeping areas. They save lives. If you learned a trick or two today, please subscribe and share this with anyone who has a boiler, furnace, or pool heater. If you have a question or an interesting venting issue from your own work, drop it in the comments below. I read and respond to everyone. Boiler Room Detective Ray Wolfhard. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the next case.